This video gives you a complete workflow on how to handle a scan project in Pythagoras. First, I will show you the vectorization of horizontal sections. We start by importing the point cloud. We choose the PPCH, our own format. We can open it in 3D by clicking the 3D window tab. And now, using the orbit tool, we can move around and move through our point cloud. So first we need to create a section box by clicking the section box tool and the location where we want the section box. With arrows we can change the size of the section box. With the bigger arrow we can move the box through our point cloud to a location where we want to start the horizontal vectorization. So this is a good location. To start the vectorization, we go to Point Cloud Vectorize, we choose Horizontal Section and click OK. Now the process starts and 3 lines are created. Now we move the section box to another location, we change the size again and move it through the point cloud until we are at the correct location where we want to vectorize, and repeat the process. So now we have again 3 lines and we can erase the section box. If we now go to the 2D window and switch off the point cloud, we see the vectorized result in 2D. So going back to the 3D window, we will repeat the process for some of the smaller buildings in this scan project. So again, we make a box, we change the size and the location to where we want to start the vectorization, the horizontal vectorization. So here we have a good spot to vectorize. We repeat the process again, and in this case 4 lines are created. We do this a couple of times. So again, here we see in 2D the vectorized lines. And there is only one location left where I want to do a horizontal vectorization. Again here, creation of the box, the section box, moving it to a good location, and vectorize. So now we move over to the vertical vectorization of vertical sections. We start by making a section box again, but in the vertical direction. So this is a good location. Click Vectorize. Now I choose Vertical Section in the drop-down menu and click OK. The algorithm found 10 lines and drew them in this box in the blue color. Also, this vectorization result is visible in the 2D window. We see the blue lines. We will do this a second time. When the section box is ready, we can start the vectorization, and we will see that 6 lines were created. 2D window, we can now combine the vertical and the horizontal vectorization results. Using sections and projection planes, we can manually add 3D polylines to the point cloud. So we create a box, move it to the correct spot, and we also add a projection plane, a drawing plane. After this plane is drawn, we can start add some manual vectors, some manual lines. All the created lines will be projected on the plane. So we click on the key locations in the point cloud to find the top of the roof in this part of the point cloud. When we have finished the process, we hit the Enter button to validate the 3D polyline. You can also highlight important locations in the point cloud by clicking the points of the point cloud. That's what we're doing here. So on these locations we will create normal Pythagoras points. These points will also be visible in the 2D window. Last feature is the creation of an ortho image based on the point cloud. So again, we create a section box of the part where we want to create an ortho image. We set the viewing mode to ortho, we disable the section, set the background to white, and select the ortho image tool. After the image was created, we can paste the image in our 2D window. With the Pythagoras layout capabilities, we can bring all the vectorized information together in one project map. So the top view, the profile view, the ortho image with, of course, all the annotations. Thank you for watching this video.